these buttons.
Ooh, I wonder what we have here.
We're going up the top and we'll start the videos upstairs.
Yeah, I'm gonna be probably
Very nice. Sorry, that floor is just
45.
Alright, 45 floor. 44 works. Alright,
Okay,
coming up?
No, I use bar buttons. Wait, okay.
45 is open.
Bro, they play music in the elevator.
Yeah, it's not loud enough. Let's let Jay get a video, then we'll do ours.
Does not light up.
It does not like that.
Well, he's filming, why don't we get his video? You want to press the button, Jay?
Sure.
Oh, that's interesting. They're only down.
Here I am with the two good elevator enthusiasts.
Aww.
Yay, we're stopping.
I like the casino button.
Going down? Or go back up again.
Alright, go up.
I like how it beeps when it closes.
It does not feel like.
Watch this.
I love it.
You can cancel the call.
Oh, I forgot that's the thing with Betsy's. What's my cancel when we're going to?
We'll probably stop the next floor. Yep, press 45. Yeah, it just stops the next floor if you cancel it. Now watch, it might not even open.
Yeah,
Press
push
45
45.
again.
Oh no.
Now it's going down. This is bizarre. This is an interesting controller. I do like Mitsubishi stuff. It's definitely interesting.
That's so cool. I forgot you can do that.
Yeah.
Now let's see where it goes now. All right, stopping at M. It's still going down. Let's see if it goes up now. Press 45. Don't double click it. Let's see if it turns around.
It's probably gonna go down. Yep.
This is interesting, Jay.
Yes, it is. I'll go back up to 45.
Let it go up to 45 this time.
Oh, yep.
We'll take them.
Kind of weird.
They only let you hold one of the door buttons at a time.
These, like I said, this is a neat element.
I'll end it up here.
Downstairs. All right. Here we go.
I just want to listen to the chimes up here because, yeah, Mitsubishi is one of my favorite elevator companies.
Awesome.
Love it. Ding dong. Okay, now you can close.
It's probably just going to stay parked up here.
It's gonna close eventually. Yep. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.